we go. Avengers Doomsday, the X-Men trailer. Let's do this.
Death comes for us all. It's all I know for sure. The question isn't, are you prepared to die? The question is, who will you be when you close your eyes?
Magneto is so old. Tanda na niya. Oh my gosh. The X-Men will return. The Avengers Doomsday. Grabe. Grabe. Super exciting. Alright, video vlog check everybody. This is another video reaction featuring the third teaser trailer of Avengers Doomsday featuring the X-Men. Finally, we can now see yung X-Men, no? X-Men team. Yung sa teaser trailer. Medyo nakaka-goosebump, no? Nakita na natin itong trailer na to, no, sa bootleg version. But here, sa official trailer, talagang nakakamangha. Goosebumps pa rin talaga. Kinikilabutan ako nung nakita ko yung X-Mansion, si Professor X, nagsasalita, tsaka si Magneto. Lahat sila matanda na. At yung mega optic blast ni Cyclops. Talagang full power, no? Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyayari dito sa trailer na to, no? Parang may kalaban sila, eh. Parang nasa ruins yung X-Mansion. Parang nasa final battle na si Professor X tsaka si Magneto, or they're preparing for something. At si Scott Summers, or si Cyclops, no? Talagang nag-full blast na. At bakit siya lang yung mag-isang pinakita na nag-full blast, ng optic blast? Ito sa teaser trailer na to, no? Sabi nila sa likod daw may Sentinel. Sabi nila baka kinidnap daw yung anak ni Cyclops tsaka ni Jean Grey. Baka si Nathan Summers daw, parang gano'n. So maraming mga theories, no, what's happening on this teaser trailer. But I'm very excited to see the X-Men connecting now to the Marvel Cinematic Universe. Finally, after very, very long, at we can see yung blue spandex ni Cyclops, no? And also yung, gusto ko makita yung full power ni Magneto tsaka ni Professor X. Kasi they are now teaming up, no? Nakita lang natin yung ganilang team up nila during the Days of Future Past, no? During the invasion of the Sentinels, no? So, hindi natin alam dito, baka Dr. Doombot yung makita natin dito, or kung ano-ano pa. So, I'm very excited, no? So, kita-kita tayo sa next teaser trailer. So, ayun, no? Kita-kita tayo sa next teaser trailer, no? So, I heard parang next teaser trailer daw is the Namor daw tsaka yung mga Wakanda. So, abangan natin yun, no? Sana may leak ulit para, or mas maganda, wala nang leak, no? So, right, I'll end now my video here. Thank you guys for watching. So, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you guys in the next video vlog adventure. Okay, Avengers Doomsday. Kita-kits tayo.